It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. Check it out. We got a Scooby-Doo mystery going on, and we're going to talk about the 550 sale, and I'm going to do first impression on the new Leaves Bath & Body Works body care. So, I love this shirt, by the way. I got this at Cracker Barrel for Halloween. I'm like, new Scooby-Doo Halloween shirt and the Scooby-Doo mystery, and thank you so much. One of my viewers pointed this out yesterday on the carriage. So, is this a design error, you guys? This is so funny. So, you would think that the Headless Horseman would be driving the carriage. So, the Headless Horseman might be on this side, and then the cat would be in the back looking out. And that kind of makes sense because is the cat driving the stagecoach? I thought the cat was kind of bizarre anyway. It's totally cute, but it's definitely kind of a weird, weird vibe going on. So anyway, I feel like that's like the Scooby-Doo mystery of the day. I'm like, yes, that makes sense. Why would the Headless Horseman be driving the carriage? I mean, obviously they're not in the seat, but you would think maybe they'd be in the front, and then the cute little cat would be looking out the back. So I don't know what's going on with that. Today, oh my goodness, crazy day today. I'm actually having to get out of the house today at 9:30, and it's 9:16. Crazy life of a mom during the summer, of course. But I needed to talk about the sale, 550 sale today. I got to do my orders. I got my laptop with me. I'm going to be ordering my own order. But I want to briefly talk about Leaves, because a lot of people are like, should I buy Leaves? Should I not buy Leaves? What's going on with this? So this one is, oh my gosh, I can't see this. Crisp apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. So interesting that they put the clove note in this product. It is definitely an unusual product. This is not something that is your regular Bath & Body Works fall lineup. It's very strong. You get that clove note. You get the really crisp apple. There's a little bit of a sweetness to it with that nectar, but it's that clove. What is it called again? It is called warm clove spice. Oh, yeah. So the mix of that, when you put it on, it's very, very like fragrant. I mean, almost to the point where you're like, oh my gosh, this is too strong. Not a lot of people are going to love this. But then on the dry down, I get like the sweetness and the apple coming out. And I don't know, to me, it smells really good. I don't know why, because I was not expecting to like that. I think the biggest Scooby-Doo mystery is why does Bonnie like Leaves in the body care? Because of all people that I thought would hate it, I thought maybe it would be me because I don't love the candle. But for some reason in the body care, on the dry down, I'm getting that like small touch of clove with the apple, and it smells like really delicious to me. I feel like it does tone down a little bit. It's not quite as strong on the dry down, but then it comes into itself. It's like this wonderful clovey sweet apple note. And it's funny because a lot of people I read on the dry down, they didn't like it. They thought it smelled odd. And I get that too. I'm not thinking this is for everyone. I'm thinking this is like one of those scents that you're either going to really love or you're going to smell it and you're going to go, oh my gosh, I hate it. So today might be the day to try it out, because at least if you're trying it out for $5.50, you could like maybe gift it to a friend if you can't stand it. So all of the Halloween stuff, the magic potion, and got these down here. I know I got everything down here. Oh, Black Cherry Merlot, oh my gosh, this one is really good. Midnight Spell. Did I say Magic Potion? I meant Midnight Spell. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's too early. Vampire Blood and, Everlasting Magic. I love the Everlasting Magic, by the way. This one is really, really good. The berry note is wonderful. I think this is like the total winner. I like the Midnight Spell, though. I didn't think I was going to like this one either. And, oh my gosh, Black Cherry Merlot, Fall in Bloom, all of the wonderful fall scents. are in the sale. So have fun, go shopping, $5.50 today, in-store and online. In-store, you need the code. Online, you need, what is the code online? It is, what is that? Oh, soft skin. I'm going to go shopping. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Mom.